Hello again, folks. I'm going to try and do Foggy's Bonnie Bell. As I get in by Huntly Toon, yon morning 40 I fell in with Bogie O'Kearney, and with him I did agree. Take all his twa best horses, they Harry Captain Plough, and they only work about the farm I very well could do. Now Bogie had a dochter, her name was Isabel, she was a lily o' the valley, and the primrose o' the dell. And when she gaed out walking, she chose me for her guide, down by the burn o' Kearney, to watch small fishes glide. I put my arms around her waist, and the feet for her did slide, and it's there I had my willow hair at Bogie's burnside. The first 3 months being past and o'er, this lassie lost her bloom. The red fell frae her rosy cheeks, and she began to swoon. When 9 lang months were past and gane, it she's brought forth a son, and old Bogie he did send for me to see what could be done. I said that I would marry her, but no, that wouldna do. You're no a match for my bonny Bell, and she's nae match for you. Well, now she's married to a tinker chiel, who bides in Huntly Toon, wi' tulipans and ladles, she scours the country round. Maybe she's gotten a better match, but that I canna tell. Say farewell, ye lads o' Huntly side, and Bogie's bonny Bell.